Family is the one most important aspect of our lives. Our family shape us, support, and provides with senses of belonging. Family is the where find love, understanding, and acceptance. Is the where of learned values, traditions, and importance of relationship. Our family members, the one who there for us every day. Is good time in the bad, the world that's constantly changing and evolving. Our family rings and constant sources of comfort and balance. They are the ones celebrate our achievement and cheer up every step of the way. Family teach up about sacrifice and forgiveness and teach us the importance of communication, mutual respect, and empathy. It is the ten of the family unit that learns someone life most important lesson and that bonds teach can never be broken. Families never were sense of belonging and unity is the place where find truly observed and accepted from the who are family where feel safe and loved.